Have you ever wondered about Differin Gel and does it work or not? Then keep watching this video and I'll get more in depth. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about Differin Gel. Does it work? How do I apply it? I will be covering all of that in this video here. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new, I know I have a few new subscribers. Hi, welcome to our channel. My name is Lizette, I'm 28 years old, and on our channel we discuss fashion, beauty, hair, skincare, everything fashion, beauty, and lifestyle related. So if you're interested in what you see and you like it, then just hit that red subscribe button. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and it really means a ton, and it's helping to grow our channel. Just a little bit about my skin, just a bit. I grew up with acne. I always had acne since I was about 12 years old. And with acne, of course, anyone who knows, it's not the most comfortable situation to be in. Your skin is breaking out. I especially got a lot of breakouts around and during that time of month, so it was terrible. I didn't know what was going on with my skin. I had never had acne previously, so of course, because I now had it once I hit puberty, of course it brought around a lot of uncomfortableness, and I didn't wear makeup back then, so I didn't know how to treat it. I didn't use any skincare products. I didn't even know about skincare products, so I didn't know about a regimen and anything like that. So it was a lot of years of trial and error. So I finally got a regimen down into my adult years, and it's been working for me, and I'm here to share that with you guys today. So about Differin Gel. What is Differin Gel? It is a acne treatment. I have it right here. It looks like this. I have the 0.1% treatment. I got it off of Amazon. It was about between 15 to 20 bucks plus shipping, and I got it within a week or two. Now I've been using it for the past 2 months, and as you can see, I'm almost done with it, so I plan on repurchasing it since I do see it helping with acne, discoloration, wrinkles, and everything else. That's what this claims to treat: acne, wrinkles, and discoloration. So it is an adapalene. I hope I said that right. Said that right. It is adapalene gel, and from what I know, it treats acne, and it is also a derivative of vitamin A, I believe, just in a smaller dosage. So if you want to read more about it, I put a link to where I got it on Amazon. Just check out the description box down below. And it claims, of course, to fight wrinkles. It helps with anti-aging. It also, of course, helps with acne and with your existing acne and preventing new acne from forming, as well as evening your skin tone and shedding those dead skin cells more quickly. That way your skin is going to be more youthful and bright. So that is what Differin Gel is. Now let's get into how I apply it. So how I apply Differin Gel, usually I do it, of course, at night. I do it once every night. And the way I apply it is I wash my face first. Now, I will say as a disclaimer, I am not an esthetician. I am not a dermatologist. I'm just sharing with you guys who have acne or maybe suffering from acne my regimen that I have found that works for me. And this is years of trial and error. So the way I use it is I always wash my face twice. I have to wash my face twice because, as you guys can see and you know, I love makeup, and so I wear makeup. So the first time I wash my face is just to get all of the makeup off. The second time I wash it is actually to cleanse my face. And that helps with making sure my pores and all of the bacteria and dirt from the day is off my skin. That way, whatever step I'm going into next, it's all good. So now let's get into step 2. Step 2, I started using a toner, which is witch hazel, as you guys all know. and that has worked wonders for my skin. And I've also noticed too that whenever I use it, the next day, let's say I'm starting to get a pimple or something is starting to come underneath the surface and I see it, once I use the witch hazel, I believe, along with the Differin Gel, it helps to drastically and dramatically reduce the size, and it, in some cases for me, has even helped stop the pimple from coming altogether. So that's great for a gel. So how I apply the Differin Gel is I put a pea size amount. I'm gonna show you guys right here, a pea size on one cheek, and then I put another pea size on the other cheek, and then I put a little bit extra on my chin because as a young adult, that is where, when I get acne now or pimples, that is where they tend to be, on my chin area as well as my jawline area. I have been using the Gold Bond Dark Spot Minimizing Cream. I got it from the drugstore, so I'm trying it out. I've only been using it, I think, the past 2 to 3 weeks religiously, because I have a lot of products that I may use once and then I'm like, so if I don't see instant results. With these products and with this regimen, I think the way we are is we want to see it instantly, like instant results right away, but it doesn't work that way. You have to give your regimen, or you have to give whatever new product you're trying time to actually work. So I just started using it, so I'm not going to comment on it yet, but I do see a slight reduction in the in my dark spots and my discolored skin, but again, it's slight because I just started using it. I've noticed that I am not breaking out as much. I think that, in combination with the new skincare regimen and routine that I have tried, I think that is also helping with me not getting as much acne even during that time of the month. And I do see a reduction in the size of the pimples, even if a pimple is starting to form under my skin, which I can usually see it if I get really up close in my mirror. The next day, it's pretty much non-existent or gone. Just know that it's not the end of the world. I know what it's like. It is definitely uncomfortable to go outside, and when I was younger, like I didn't even wear makeup, so it was pretty uncomfortable. But just know that it will get better, and you just have to find a regimen that works best for you and for your skin. And just know that I know what it's like. I didn't have the most severe, or like I didn't have cystic acne, but I did have mild to moderate acne, and it definitely is very, very annoying. And I do know what you're going through, but just know that it will get better. And if you do need to go to a dermatologist, then do what's best for you and what works for your skin. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot, and it lets me know what kind of videos you guys want to see or what kind of other videos I should do. And also, don't forget to share this video on social media, as well as hit that red subscribe button and the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!